Here at HCL, we like to innovate every day to get better and sometimes repeat what works. Today, we would like to introduce for the first time to the world the Foffice. We have reinvented the factory and touring in an office. The energy we have put into this event is like never before. For 2.5 days at our Chelmsford office, we are going to be bold. We're going to lean out further than ever before from the 3rd floor windows.
The first thing to note is we are introducing our new app. If the edges on this thing were visible, they would be rounded and chamfered. This app is like a piece of art. Never before has an app been so artistic.
If selected, you get an email. This happened because we had the courage to try your inbox.
Pressing the login button reveals an all-new re-engineered logging in experience. It takes you directly inside the application, which remains both Blue and native to the device. Another world first here with the first ever digital implementation of Strontium Blue within an app.
I want you to look around the app, spend time getting accustomed to the 346 new features. As you move around the Foffice, like a digital dot in time and space, the factory space, you could say that we have refabricated you as a dot. It's unapologetically fun.
We've created images of all of the speakers and put them into the roundest windows we could design. We went right back to the drawing board here, looking at new ways to draw circles. Not just any circles, but 360-degree negative circles. We found these just rendered faster.
Now, let's go through some numbers. The new event will have 57% more speakers. It will last about 7% longer than previous events, and it will be delivered in a space that is 33% bigger than the previous tours. We know you're going to love it, and more importantly, mostly fit. We hope you can make the dates and travel safely to tour with us. We look forward to your registrations and seeing you face to face for the first time in a long time. Since the last time, which was too long, but not as long as the previous time. We would like to welcome you to the 2022 Factory Tour.